42nd example, and what is said in this example, suppose the friction coefficient between the ground and the ladder in the above problem is 0.54. Find the maximum weight of mechanic who could go up and do the work from the same position. Okay, so again if we draw the FBD to this problem, again all forces will remain same. This is NA and that would be the frictional force, and the weight due to the ladder, which is 16G acting downward, and due to the mechanic 60G, while from here there will be reaction from point B. This angle is 37 degree, and this would be, so these all angles would be 37, 37, 37, and this will be 53 degree again. Now the maximum value of friction is known to us, so what we have to find the maximum weight of mechanics. So I will rub this, and I will write this as the weight of the mechanic as WG. Okay, or W I will write instead of WG. Let W be the weight of this mechanic. So in that case, again we know that NB is nothing but the frictional force value. So let's find the torque about NA must be 0. So torque about point A must be 0. So if you do this, so this will be negative torque 16G into distance will be 5 meter above sine 37 will be 3 by 5 minus. Again minus the torque due to W weight is also minus because clockwise. W into distance is 8 meter and sine 37 will be again 3 by 5. And torque due to NB will be positive, so plus NB. Okay. NB into distance is 10 meter and this will be sine 53 angle, which is equal to 0. So this 5 and this 5 get cancelled out, or okay, so that would be 48G minus 5 6 are 30, so 5 0.6, 8 6 are 48, so that would be 4.8 W plus sine 53 is 4 by 5, so that would be 8 NB equal to 0. Now this is the first equation between these two unknowns. Minus 4.8 W plus 8 NB is equal to 48G. So let's divide by 8. So this will be 0.6 W plus NB is equal to 68. Let us say this is equation 1. Now total force acting up must be equal to down. So NA must be equal to 16G plus W. Okay, and NB is equal to frictional force. So as we know very well, as the frictional force is nothing but mu into NA, that is the limiting friction, 0.54 into NA, as well as frictional force is equal to NB because total force acting right must be equal to left. That is equation 2 and that is equation 3. So let's substitute the value of NB in the equation 1. So minus 0.6 W plus NB 0.54 NA is equal to 6G minus 0.6 W plus 0.54, what is NA, 16G plus W is equal to 6G. So minus 0.6 W plus, let's multiply here. So 0.54 into 16, so 54 into 16, 16 4s are 64, 6 carry, 16 5s are 80 and 6 would be 86. So decimal point after 2 digits, so that would be 8.64 G plus 0.54 W is equal to 6G. So minus 0.6 W plus 0.54 W. So the answer comes out to be minus 0.06 W is equal to 6G minus 8.64 G. 6G minus 8.64 G. So let's write here 0.06 W is equal to 2.64 G. So W comes out to be 2.64 G upon 0.06. So that would be 264 G upon 6. So 264 G upon 6. So 6 4s are 24. Again 6 4s are 24. So this comes out to be 44 into G. Okay, so the answer to this question is 44 G, decimal point after 2 digit, so that comes out to be 44 into G. Let's see one more time. 0.6, 0.06, 8 minus 8.6, G minus 8.64 will be minus 2.64. Decimal point after 2 get cancelled. 264 upon 6 would be 44 G. Thank you.